Okay, as usual, start with the battery case open so you can see what you're looking for. There's the lever, both sides, that's what keeps the battery locked in. So to unlock it, to get it out, you've got to pull them back, both at the same time. Here's the battery. Just clicks in. I'll release it. I did that a little awkwardly. Let's do it again. Click back to release. The two clips stay back, fortunately. Now I'm going to release it. So you can see, easy as pie. That's flush. The clips have gone into place. Everything's flush. And you notice I've done this with the laptop power down.